Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to use the Control Center on macOS 27. To use Control Center, you'll need to click on this little tiny button right here in the top right corner of your screen. That is the Control Center. Now you've opened it. You'll find different controls here, but you can actually customize them. To do it, click on Edit Controls, and now you can find which controls you'd like to add. You can do fast user switching. You can do display and brightness settings. You can do notes. You can see now playing, which I do have right now. And you can see I can even resize it. Let's place the control maybe here, then resize it. I can actually resize it to only two options possible. No. Sorry, it's three. There's this small one, the square one, and the wide one. I'll do the square one. And now I can also resize other controls like the display, for example, brightness, and the sound. I can put that here. I'll put it back there. I can resize my AirDrop button and my Bluetooth button. Let's rearrange them like that. Let's put the focus mode here. I'll put the sound here, the display here. Then I can add another one like keyboard brightness I could do if I'd like to manually adjust it. Now when I click on done, I'm done with it, and I can now adjust it. Though for keyboard, I would need to go to keyboard settings to disable automatic brightness. I can change the display brightness, as you can see. I can change the sound volume. And yeah, there's so many things that you can do. If you don't know what a control is for, you can just resize it so you'll know for the future. And that's it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.